Good morning, 25th June 2020, Thursday. You are listening Avni Aaron, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here, we bring you all the latest updated news from around the world. Balveer Chand, Sachin Tendulkar's look-alike, who had been employed as the brand ambassador of a fast food chain in Mumbai, lost his job due to the coronavirus lockdown. The 50-year-old returned to his village in Punjab and tested positive for coronavirus. The 42-year-old chartered accountant who shot himself after killing his wife in Bengaluru and mother-in-law in Kolkata has left behind a 67-page suicide note. According to his suicide note, he had planned to kill all his in-laws, including father-in-law and brother-in-law. Patanjali Ayurveda MD Acharya Balkrishna has said that communication gap with Ayush Ministry has been resolved and the company submitted details about its COVID-19 medicine Coronil to it. The ministry has asked Patanjali to stop advertising its claims until the issue is examined. An Indian restaurant owned by a Sikh in the Santa Fe city in the US state of New Mexico was broken into, vandalized with hate messages scrawled on its walls. The damage caused to Indian restaurant is estimated to be worth $1 lakh. 100% survey of containment zones in Delhi will be conducted by June 30 and a comprehensive survey of rest of the Delhi will be done by July 6 as per a new plan to contain coronavirus spread. Srichand Hinduja is suing his three brothers seeking a declaration that a 2014 letter signed by them stating that assets held by one brother belongs to all has no legal effect. The family's fortune is valued at $13 billion. A London judge said the three had tried to take control of Hinduja Bank, an asset that's in Srichand's sole name. I, Avni Aaron, will come with the new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.